Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'll show you the way of how to create portfolio on Wix.com. Nothing hard, so let's get started. All to do is to create an account here, so go to Wix.com, and if you are new to this platform, just simply click on get started. If you already have an account, you'll come to this page, to your dashboard, but if you don't have an account, you can easily create it with your Gmail. As you can see, we can start for free. We don't need to buy a premium subscription here, but if you want to get some additional features, we'll discover it a little bit later. So after we'll come to our dashboard, we can then click on create new site in the right top corner right up here. And it will offer us a lot of different options to do that. We can do these with AI from Wix, but to make it easier, we can click on setup without chat, and it will be really fast to search for portfolio here. And as you can see, it offers a wide range of different types of portfolio, like creative, journalist, writing, design. But if you want to discover a lot of templates, I recommend you to select portfolio without any other words. So let's click on continue then. And it will be, basically that's all we need to select. After that, we'll come to our dashboard where we can manage our website name. Let it be like portfolio port 1. Continue. The next step is we can add some other apps here. So as you can see, we have a small description, like we can add a video app, share, stream, and sell your videos, add some blog things, also like forms, chat, music. You can do these as you need. I'm just simply going to use these apps. Let's click on continue. The next step is basically start with our dashboard. So here we can find a quick checklist we can follow to do everything. So we can connect a custom domain if you want. Also, we can add a project to your portfolio, design your website, and get found in Google. So in order to add a project, to add something we want to share, we can click on add project right up here. And after that, as you can see, we'll be moved to projects folder in portfolio. So the same way of how can we come here is to click on portfolio and then select projects. After that, we can see that we have a small thing. We can customize our website, like what kind of work are you showcasing: web design, illustration, photography, motion graphics, branding, or other. So let's select photography, for example, and let's click on next. After that, we can add our images from computer. Let's now choose import from Wix Media Manager. So probably we can find something inside of it. And we can find like different images from stocks and so on. It may take a little time. Let it be, for example, this one. Probably I would like to select something from other options from Unsplash. So let it be like this and this, for example. Let's click on add. Then we can generate projects. It may take a little time now. So here we can manage our title, description, and if you are going to create your own portfolio, so you need to customize it into change. But I'm going to click on create portfolio because it just going to show you the way of how can you do this. So here we can find all the projects, all the showcases. So we can add one more. We can click on add in the right top, or we can click on more here. We can delete, edit, share, duplicate, and do some other things. As you can see, everything is quite easy. So let's open our setup page here, and let's click on design site now. After that, we'll come to this page where we have two options. So we can generate design with AI, or we can use template area where we can select the necessary template, and after that we can just simply customize it. So let's click on pick a template. You can also try to use an AI, but it's easier as for me to use templates here. So if we'll scroll down, we can find a huge variation of different templates. We have 5 pages here. So I think that it will be easy as for you to find the most suitable one as you need. I'm going to select this one here. So we can click on view and we'll see how will it look like. It looks really good, by the way. We can also switch to font mode and also desktop view. So let's click on edit this site to add it to our dashboard to make it as a main template for our current website. So now we just simply need to manage some other things. We need to customize our template. It may take a little time here, so we can change every single element, every single section, every single page. And firstly, we need to understand how the website works. So in the left side we have these menu, as you can see, with add elements button, add a section, manage pages and menu, manage site design, add different apps, and manage business stuff. So we can interact with pages by clicking on pages and menu, and here we can find all the structure. So we can see some other things, and we can interact with them from these subfolder. And basically we can see like family, babies, and so on. I'm going to delete it because I don't need it on my website. You can do the same with your structure, and after that you can then just simply add the necessary pages by clicking on add page. So we can click on add page or add menu item. So as you can see, we can add page, dynamic pages, link, section, or anchor. I'm going to add a page here. So we can add, for example, about us or portfolio or team, a lot of different pages, a lot of templates available here. So this is a way of how to interact with pages. Also, every single page contains from different sections. We have this section here, this section here. So if we'll hover our mouse, we can see these more icon. We can click and we can see all possible actions we can do. So we can move, we can delete, cut, copy, and so on. Also, we can add sections by clicking on this button here. We can see all the templates we have: welcome, about, gallery, team, and so on. As you can see, nothing really hard. And the same thing with objects. So we can find objects here. For example, here we have this text. Also, we have these media gallery here. If we scroll down, we can find these footer where we can find other elements, and in order to interact with them, we just simply need to click, and here you can find all the options like edit text, create AI text, manage like animation, add some links, and so on. So this is a way of how to interact with elements, and if you want to add them, you can click on plus, and also you can find a lot of different templates with text, images, buttons, strips, decorative, and so on. A lot of different pages here. So after everything is done, we can click on publish, and basically our website will be published to the internet. So we can even click on view site and we'll see how will it look like as for us. So we can click on done. Yeah, let's go to our dashboard, and yeah, now technically everything is done. We can then start using it. And also we have a lot of other areas here like home, getting page, and so on. And I personally recommend you to watch my other tutorials because it may take a little bit more time, but all basic things you need to know about how to create a portfolio, now you know and you can see. Also, let's discover the paid plans. We can see that Wix works as a subscription, so you can buy different types of subscription in order to get, so you can see all the features you'll get, and after that you can basically select the necessary one as for you. So hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.